Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to fix audio problems in your PC. If your sound is not working, no worries, just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check sound settings. Go to Control Panel, Arrow, Sound Arrow, Playback tab. Make sure your device is set as default. Click on Properties arrow, Advanced tab, and test the formats. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and choose Update Driver. This often fixes missing or outdated drivers. Step 3. Restart audio services. Press Windows plus R. Type services.msc. Find Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click each one and select Restart. Step 4. Select the correct output device. Click on the sound icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, check if the correct playback device is selected, like your speakers or headphones. Step 5. Last option. Reinstall drivers. If nothing works, go back to Device Manager. Right-click your audio driver and select Uninstall Device. Then restart your PC. Windows will reinstall it automatically. That's it. You've learned step by step how to fix audio problems in your PC. Most sound issues can be solved with these methods. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.